Hey there, fellow learners! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, understanding prompt types, from simple to complex. So, let's buckle up and embark on this insightful journey together. Alright, folks, let's kick things off. Imagine you're playing a game, and there's a set of rules guiding your every move. Those rules? They're like prompts telling you what to do. For example, what's your favorite color? That's a simple prompt. Now, think about it. How do prompts influence our actions and thoughts? Now, let's talk about simple prompts. You know, those straightforward questions like, what's 2 plus 2? They're like the building blocks of understanding. You encounter them every day, from math problems to basic inquiries. What's a simple prompt you've come across recently? Open-ended prompts. They're like opening a door to endless possibilities. Picture this. Describe your dream vacation. It's all about letting your imagination soar. From sharing stories to expressing feelings, open-ended prompts are like a canvas waiting for your unique brushstrokes. What's your dream vacation destination? Let's tackle multiple choice prompts now. You've seen them in quizzes and tests, like, what's the capital of France? Is it London, Paris, or Rome? They're like a puzzle, finding the right piece amidst the options. Ever aced a multiple choice question? Now, onto problem-solving prompts. Imagine facing a math equation like 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. It's a challenge, right? Problem-solving prompts push us to think critically and find solutions. Think of a problem you've cracked recently. How did it feel when you finally figured it out? Next up, analytical prompts. These gems prompt us to dig deeper, comparing and contrasting ideas. For instance, compare the themes of two novels. It's like unraveling layers of meaning. Have you ever analyzed a book or movie in this way? Let's get hypothetical. Ever wondered, what would you do if you could time travel? Hypothetical prompts spark our imagination, making us ponder the what-ifs of life. If you could time travel, where would you go and why? Time to get persuasive. Picture this: argue for or against school uniforms. Persuasive prompts challenge us to defend our beliefs with solid arguments. Have you ever had to convince someone to see things your way? Contextual prompts, they set the stage for our responses. Imagine being stranded on a desert island. What would your survival plan look like? Contextual prompts make us think on our feet. How would you handle being stranded? And that's a wrap, folks. Understanding prompt types is like unlocking the keys to effective communication and problem solving. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep engaging with different types of prompts. Until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Remember, learning is an adventure, and we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. Stay curious, stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.